Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and if you're looking for a dry chicken recipe, then your search ends right here because I have the perfect sukha, which is dry chicken recipe just for you. So let's begin with our process and let's make this delicious chicken which you can have for starter or as a main meal. So guys, to make this mouth-watering sukha, which is dry chicken, we are going to need half kg of curry cut chicken with bones. Make sure to take small pieces so that they cook a little faster. And I have washed it and drained the water out of this chicken. And now to this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is haldi powder, followed by juice of 1/4 of a lime. And then I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of curd, which is yogurt or dahi. Make sure that you beat it up and then add it. Then I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves, which is dhanya ke patte, followed by half teaspoon of salt. And now guys, we are going to mix everything together, and once everything is nicely mixed in, then we are going to keep our chicken in the refrigerator for the next half an hour. Minimum of half an hour. You can always keep it overnight as well. And while our chicken is marinating, let's prepare the kala masala. So for the kala masala, in a kadhai, let's add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, which is dhanya seeds, and let's dry roast them till the time they turn a little dark in color. And once they reach to this stage, let's remove them out in a mixer blender. And now in the same kadhai, let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is jeera, and let's dry roast them till the time they change color. It should take just anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds. And once they turn dark in color, let's add them into the blender along with the coriander seeds. Now let's add half inch of cinnamon stick, which is dalchini, followed by 2 cloves, which is long, 2 cardamoms, which is Elachi, and 1 small bay leaf, which is tej patta. And now we are again going to dry roast them till the time they change a little bit of color. This could again take anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds. And then let's add it along with the cumin and coriander seeds into the mixer blender. And then in a kadhai, let's add half teaspoon of oil, and immediately let's add 8 to 10 dried red chilli, and let's cook till the time they turn a little dark in color. And once that happens, let's transfer these dried red chilli into the mixer blender. And now in the same kadhai, let's add 1/4 cup of dried grated coconut and roast it till the time they become dark in color. And now that our coconut is nicely roasted, let's remove it in a separate bowl. So guys, I did not add this in the mixer blender. If you add this along with the dried spices, then the dried spices won't blend well. So make sure that you always blend the coconut after you blend the dried spices. And see guys, our dried spices are nicely blended, nice and fine powder, and that is how it should be. And now guys, it's time for us to add these roasted dry coconut into the mixer blender and give it a good blend. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And now our kala masala is ready. So guys, you see it's nicely grinded or blended and it's perfect. Now let's just keep it aside, and now let's take a big kadhai and let's add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in here. You can always add a little bit of ghee, which is clarified butter as well. And now I added 1 bay leaf, which is tej patta, followed by 1 teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds. And once the jeera starts to splutter, then it's time for us to add 2 medium-sized onions, which I have finely chopped. It comes to about 1 cup of onions. And now let's give it a good mix and cook it till the time the onions turn nice and golden in color. It could take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onions turn golden in color, then it's time for us to add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is adrak lasun ki paste, and give that a good mix and cook it for about 2 more minutes or until the time the onions turn nice and golden brown in color. And now that our onions are nice and golden brown in color, it's time for us to add 1 large tomato which I have grated. And now along with the tomato, I'm also going to add salt. Remember guys, we've already added half teaspoon of salt into the chicken, so just add the remainder of salt in here and then cover and cook till the time the tomatoes are fully cooked. It will take anywhere between 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. 5 minutes later, let's uncover and let's look at our tomatoes. They are nicely cooked. So now it's time for us to add our marinated chicken. And once we add the marinated chicken, let's give everything a good mix. And then we are going to cover it up and cook it on a low flame for the next 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure to stir in intervals. And after 6 to 7 minutes, it's time for us to uncover and look at our chicken. Look at it guys, it seems to be halfway cooked. There's a little water which has come out of the chicken. I didn't add any water, and now it's time for us to add our kala masala, followed by half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. You can use any chicken masala that is available in a store nearby. It really adds up to the taste of this chicken. And now let's give everything a good mix. And once everything is nicely mixed in, all the masala is nicely coating the chicken, then let's add 1/4 cup of water. Now I just added the water in the bowl in which I had marinated the chicken, and I'm adding that water in here. And now we are going to give everything a good mix and cover it up and cook our chicken on a low to medium flame for the next 15 to 16 minutes. Don't forget to stir in intervals. And after 15 minutes, let's uncover. Wow, look at our chicken guys. It's looking absolutely delicious. Just add a little bit of dhanya on top and give it a good mix, and our chicken is ready to serve. Guys, if there is a little bit of water, say if it's watery, then guys you can always keep the flame on and remove the lid and cook the chicken for another 2-3 minutes and they will become nice and dry. Also guys, if you want to have curry chicken, simply add 2 cups of hot water in here and boil the chicken in with the water. And our chicken is looking so mouth watering. I absolutely cannot wait. Let's remove it out in a plate. Have it with some bhakri, have it with some roti, have it with some rice, but definitely do have it. I'm telling you, you're going to fall in love with it. Do share this recipe link with your friends and family. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't already yet. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.